Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a daily planner on Notion, and to do so it's very simple. Let's show you the end result. So here in this daily planner I have this calendar with the tasks of every day, and here if I scroll down a bit I will find this table here with the tasks of only one day. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Here let's go to create a new page, and in the new page let's name it daily planner, for example. Doesn't matter what you name it, it's just for the tutorial. And then type enter. Here you will have to write slash data, and here you will find the calendar view option. So click on it once, and here you will not have to add or link a database, so just close this and close this also. Here for the new database, just name it planner tutorial or whatever you want your database to be named. And here just fill in the calendar with your informations or your tasks. Let's put two tasks in Monday. Here task 1, and let's add task 2, for example. And I will add another task here just to explain to you something after that. Let's type task 43 or whatever. Okay, if I scroll down a little bit here, I will have to click here after the calendar and type slash data, and then here table view. Here to add a link a database, just type planner. Okay, type the name of the calendar that you put here. So for example, planner tutorial. Click on this, and here you will find all the tasks that you have put in the calendar. Right, so you will find the tasks for Monday and Wednesday. Here you'll find the date also. So what I'm going to do here is very simple. Let's just filter this by day. So filter by here date, and then here this day. Okay, so it only shows the tasks for only one day. And here I will add also a checkbox. So this checkbox here, and I will drag it to the left, for example. It's better to see. Remove the tags one, so delete property, delete, and that's it. You can also remove this thing right here, but let's just keep it as it is right now. Now for the task one, you can check it or uncheck it, and it will update every day. So whatever you put in this calendar, if it updates to tomorrow, for example, Tuesday 29, then the tasks for Tuesday 29 will appear on this planner, on this table, and the tasks of July 28 will not appear. So that's it guys, that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.